Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Princess House Licuadora is probably one of the most versatile and powerful kitchen appliances you can own, designed to tackle everything from silky smooth smoothies and creamy soups to crushing ice for refreshing beverages and even grinding nuts and spices, making it an indispensable tool for any culinary enthusiast looking to elevate their meal preparation and drink-making game with unparalleled efficiency and style. Number 5. MuellerLiving Ultra Stick Immersion Hand Blender. Tired of lumpy smoothies and uneven textures? Our powerful immersion blender makes mixing, blending, whisking, and frothing a breeze. It comes with detachable accessories to help you create delicious drinks and more. This versatile tool comes with 3 easy-to-use attachments. Blend soups and baby food with the stainless steel shaft, froth milk for lattes with the dedicated frother, or whip cream with the whisk attachment. Need extra power? Engage the turbo mode for an instant boost. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, while the blade housing minimizes splashes for a cleaner experience. Using it is as simple as attaching your desired tool, plugging it in, and submerging the blade. Adjust the speed as you go to achieve perfect results every time. Refer to the instructions for detailed guidance. Don't let cleanup stress you out. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother attachments are all dishwasher safe, making maintenance incredibly simple after you're done creating. What we like? This immersion blender offers significant power for its size. Its multiple attachments make it incredibly versatile for various tasks. If you're looking for a compact yet capable tool for blending, whisking, and frothing, this is a great choice for everyday kitchen needs. What people say? The blender is very powerful and crushes ice easily. It has multiple speed settings for different blending needs. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well in any kitchen. Number 4. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Blender. Experience the power of an 1100 watt motor that effortlessly crushes ice and blends tough ingredients. It's perfect for creating your favorite smoothies, frozen drinks, and sauces. Our total crushing blades are designed to pulverize ice into snow in mere seconds. They make blending even the toughest ingredients a breeze. Prepare large batches with the generous 72 ounces pitcher, perfect for entertaining or feeding the whole family. You can easily make enough for everyone. Enjoy the ultimate convenience by blending directly in the 16 ounces to-go cups. Simply add the spout lids and take your creations with you wherever you go. With 3 manual speeds, pulse control, and a dedicated single-serve function, you can achieve personalized blends every time. Enjoy professional performance tailored to your needs. All removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for effortless cleanup. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your delicious blends. What we like? With its robust 1100 watt motor and total crushing blades, this blender excels at pulverizing ice and tough ingredients. The inclusion of to-go cups adds fantastic convenience for busy mornings. If you prioritize powerful blending for smoothies and frozen drinks and appreciate on-the-go portability, this is the blender for you. What people say? The blender is very powerful and crushes ice easily. It has a sleek design that looks great on the countertop. The different speed settings allow for versatile blending options. Number 3. NutriBullet Blender Combo 1200W. Elevate your health journey with the power and versatility of this blender. It's designed to help you extract maximum nutrition from your favorite foods. With 1200 watts of power, this appliance offers multiple speeds and a pulse function. Effortlessly create everything from smoothies to nut butters. Whether you need a single serving or a large batch, it has you covered. Switch easily between personal cups and a generous pitcher for ultimate convenience. Cleanup is a breeze. The durable, high-performance pitcher and cups are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Its specially designed blades, cups, and pitcher work in harmony. Transform everyday ingredients into nutrient-rich superfoods with every use. This package includes the powerful motor base, blender pitcher, personal cups, lids, extractor blade, and a recipe book to get you started. What we like? This blender boasts a high 1200 watt motor and a unique combo design, allowing for both single servings and larger batches. Its precision nutrient extraction technology is a standout feature. If you're serious about maximizing the nutritional value of your drinks and want the flexibility to blend for yourself or for a group, this is an excellent option. What people say. The blender has a powerful motor that crushes ice easily. It comes with multiple speed settings and a pulse function for better control. The glass jar is sturdy and doesn't retain odors. Number 2. PowerLix Black Handheld Milk Frother. Love your coffee with extra froth and foam? This portable handheld frother is perfect for creating the cafe-style cappuccino right at home. It even comes with a stand for convenient countertop storage. Enjoy perfect froth without the hassle of cords. Simply heat your milk, immerse the frother, and turn it on. You'll have creamy froth in just 15 to 20 seconds. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this frother boasts a powerful motor for double the power of others. Its durable whisk won't rust or break, ensuring long-lasting performance. Designed to complement any modern kitchen, its ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use. Beyond frothing milk, it's great for milkshakes and cocktails with both hot and cold liquids. We're confident you'll love it. It comes with a lifetime warranty and US-based customer support. Order now and start creating delicious, creamy foam for all your favorite drinks. What we like. This handheld frother is designed for quick and easy frothed milk, perfect for coffee lovers. Its battery operation means no cords to worry about. If you enjoy lattes and cappuccinos at home and want a simple, portable, and quiet way to achieve that perfect foam, this is the ideal gadget. What people say. The blender is powerful and blends smoothly. It has a sleek design that looks great on the counter. The different speed settings are very useful for various tasks. Number 1. Abuler 1000W5 in 1 Immersion Blender. Experience incredible blending power with our 1000-watt handheld blender. Its turbo boost mode saves you time when preparing soups, sauces, smoothies, and more. This versatile kitchen tool comes with multiple attachments, including a chopper, whisk, and milk frother. It's perfect for blending, chopping, whisking, and frothing to meet all your culinary needs. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip with its ergonomic, non-slip handle. Achieve perfect consistency in your recipes with the easily adjustable 12-speed settings. Assembly and cleaning are a breeze thanks to its detachable attachments. Simply rinse or place most parts in the dishwasher for effortless cleanup. This compact blender saves valuable counter space. Made from BPA-free plastic and 304 stainless steel, it's safe, healthy, and built to last. What we like. This immersion blender offers substantial 1000-watt power and a wide range of 12-speed settings for precise control. It's also designed with safety and durability in mind, being BPA-free. If you need a versatile, powerful, and easy-to-control handheld blender for a variety of kitchen tasks, this model is a solid choice. What people say. This blender is powerful and efficient, making smoothies in seconds. I love the sleek design of this blender. It looks great on my countertop. The multiple speed settings allow for precise control over blending consistency. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.